Bullying is a common phenomenon in many Nigerian schools. It involves negative physical or verbal actions with hostile intent. It is sometimes intended to cause harm and distress to the victims, and it is repeated over time. To therefore nip this menace in the bud, this seminar was organized for counsellors in Lagos State by the Association of Professional Counsellors in Nigeria, Lagos State Chapter.
Bullying is a very serious, I don't want to say it has become an endemic in our school system. And a deliberate action ought to be taken towards stemming the tides of its spread, particularly at the basic level, which simply connotes catching them young.
The rate of bullying in schools over the years is becoming more alarming and calls for proactive and drastic actions that will stem down the tide, if not totally eradicated. Every child has the right to go to school and learn, free from fear, intimidation, and harassment. In fact, schools are supposed to be safe ground where our children can learn, build friendships, and gain critical skills they need to succeed in life. The fight against abuse of any form is a collective fight, and all stakeholders should be involved. The parents, the teachers, school authorities, government, law enforcement agencies, even religious leaders.
We say thank you very much, and we are proud of you. Your work, I believe, is one of the most underappreciated because people don't know the importance of what you do. Your work is very, very important. We are still growing. We will get there. And I know that our counsellors, as time goes on, you will be appreciated for the value that your work truly does.
The counsellors were sensitized on the cause of bullying, the types of bullying, the harmful effects, and how it can be curbed.
This very trend of bullying that we're talking about violates the United Nations fundamental human rights. Every human has the right to health, right to safety, and freedom from fear and violence of any sort.
Now, what are the counseling interventions? And that's where you are coming in forcefully. 1, encourage reports of incidences. Then, when you discover cases of bullying, ensure that penalties that are appropriate are applied to police.
We are on a workshop to enlighten all our counsellors from the 20 LGAs to know how to identify the bullies and those who have been bullied, and to know how to manage them so that they will stop bullying. It's going to be regular because once we nip this maladaptive behavior at the bud in the primary school, secondary school will be a paradise.
Bullies and victims have very faulty thought processes. They make assumptions about life, the realities of their situation that are oftentimes faulty. And so the starting point is to create awareness, sensitize them, let them unlearn and correct some of these irrational thought processes that they have.
The mantra these counsellors were asked to instill in their students is, do unto others what you want them to do unto you.
We discovered that children bully themselves a lot, and the only people that can carry out the curbing it for us is the school counsellors and the LGA counsellor. So these children need to be monitored because of the rate of harassment, so as to reduce them in our school system.
It helped me to know more about bullying, and also to help me to educate my school counsellors on how to handle people that bully in their classrooms and even staffs. I really appreciate the Association of Professional Counsellors in Nigeria, which is Aprocon, and Lasubeb for their great efforts in inculcating and sensitizing the staffs.
In fact, I've learned a lot. One, I've known the in and out of bullying, the causes, the meaning, and how to provide definite solution in case I see a child being bullied.
To reverse this ugly trend, these counsellors were advised to be on the lookout for signs of bullying and address them immediately.